Hello everyone. In this video we are given x, the value of x square plus 1 divided by x is equal to 5, and by this information we have to find x4 plus 1 over x square. So let we take this one as we have x square plus 1 over x is equal to 5, as we know that a plus minus b whole divided by c, that is equal to a over c plus minus b over c. So using this formula over here, we can write x square over x plus 1 over x is equal to 5. So this x square will be cancelled out with x, and we have x plus 1 over x is equal to 5. Taking square on both sides, we have x plus 1 over x whole square. This is equal to 5 square. Now we can write this. We know that a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as x square plus 1 over x whole square plus 2 times x into 1 over x, that is equal to 25. And from here we have x square plus 1 over x square plus, from here this x will be cancelled out with this x, and we have 2 is equal to 25. Taking this 2 to right, we will get x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 25 minus 2, and which is equal to x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 23. Taking LCM on left hand side, we have x square, this will become x4 plus 1 is equal to 23, and which is the required answer which we have to find. This was the value which we have to find, and which is 23. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.